My name is Harry, and let me show you the best product on the market. Our first product on the right hand side is software you download for free, and that one needs a slip printer. The second one on your left hand side is a website. You don't need a slip printer. The best is both products are free. There's no monthly or hidden cost. If you're at home, you can use Atlantic prepaid products to make money or to save money. You can decide which product is suitable for you. From the office, do you need airtime or do you want to sell airtime? Atlantic Prepaid is already dealing with supermarkets, filling stations and shops all over the country. It doesn't matter if you run a pub or a bakery. Use the products, it's absolutely free. The products is working with the internet. A modem is also suitable. The software you can download on any PC, laptop or touchscreen. The software is working with Windows XP, Windows 7 and Windows Vista. This is our first product. Go to www.atlanticpost.co.za and click on our prices. Browse through that and you will see exactly how much you pay for a voucher. We give you an average of 8.5% discount on all 10 providers. No monthly or hidden cost. You went to www.atlanticpost.co.za. On your left hand side is register. Click on that and this is the face that will display. Add your cell number, your email address, password, confirm your password and tick the terms and condition box. You have been registered. Before you click the continue that's been underlined, make sure you did receive the OTP, the one-time PIN on your cell phone. Enter your cell number in the first box. The second box is the OTP, the one-time PIN you did receive on your cell phone. Add that in there and click on confirm. On your left hand side is POS download. Click on that and we're going to start download the 3 steps. First the point of sale, then the soft server and then the graphics. It's quite easy. It will take you step by step through the process. And while we're here, all the supermarkets out there, if you want to install on each and every till airtime, go to that specific till, log into the website, come to this page, POS downloads, and download only the point of sale and the graphics on that specific till. After you finish with the download process, you will find the 2 orange icons on your desktop, Airtime POS, Airtime SRV. If you click on Airtime POS, that is the screen on the bottom and that's the skin that you're going to sell airtime from. So let's go over and click on Airtime SRV. On your left hand side is login. Click on that. It's going to ask you the code, that's admin, and the password, that's admin, and click on the terms and conditions, that box, tick it, and click the OK green button. It showed demo mode, forget about it, and click live mode to change each and every setting into the server. On your left hand side you will find default settings. Click on that. It's going to ask you a cell number and password. That's the same as you registered with in the beginning. It's going to ask you your store details. Add that in there. It will show on the slip to the customer. Suspend ordering. If that box has been ticked, it won't print. And when you run out of money and it's come to 0, it's a spend by himself, come back to the same page. Click on suspend ordering to take the tick out and it will print again. Then we're going on demand and by batch ordering. I prefer on demand. You sell vouchers to the customer as they needed it. By batch, you're ordering batches of stock. And when you're done with your settings, click number 4, save. On your left hand side is manage a user. Click on that and you will see status administrator. Login code is admin. Login name is administrator. On this page, you will change your password and code. Remember when we logged in is admin. You can change it on this page. And the same, you can add as many operators as you want on this page. So let's go to number 2 and click on add. It tells you operator, supervisor, administrator. Just tick the one you need. Add these code, password and his name on the bottom side and click save. And if you come to a certain stage, you want to disable a operator, just went to the previous page, double click on his name, and this page will show, and tick the disable and click save. On your left hand side is manage stock. Click on that and this page will show. This page is only for the vouchers that sell the most. Make sure on the right supplier to change the target stock level. It normally takes a second to come to my server, go back to your server and print the vouchers. If you change the target level on this page, only the vouchers that sell the most, it will print immediately. Make sure about the supplier and double click on the 0 underneath target level. On the bottom side you will see I listed as number 1. There you can change your target stock level as you prefer, and remember to click save. You will see my 2 Rand Vodacom, I saved it as a 1. What happens if I sell that 2 Rand Vodacom to a customer? The server will go on an autopilot to my server, collect another 1 and replace it on the autopilot base. So it isn't necessary for you to come each and every time to change it. On the bottom you will see free to buy, number 2. That is your amount you can sell airtime with. And remember, when you're making a payment, that amount won't change until you print a voucher. And the target stock level that you change is already deducted from that free to buy amount. And then we're going up to the top, number 3. That is your connection status. Remember, it must stay green. When it's red, it's off and there won't be communication between your server and your point of sale. On your left hand side is reports. Click on that and you will see you can print all the reports that you need. If you're out there on holiday and you need a report of your shop or supermarket, just go to www.atlanticpost.co.za, log into the website with your cell number and password, go to the report section, and you can see exactly what is your shop or supermarket is doing on airtime. Minimize your server, go to airtime POS icon on your desktop, click that and this page will show. Operator code is admin, add that in there, and the password is also admin, add that in there, and click the green OK button. On the left bottom side, number 1 I listed, click that, that's a setup button, and we're going to start install the printer. Right on top is printer default. Click on that, I listed as number 1. When you click that small arrow next to name, my number 1, all your printers will be listed. Select your printer, my number 2, click on that, and then you go to number 3, OK. Click on that, and then the number 4, the green OK button. Click the green test button, I listed as number 1, and your slip must be the same as mine on the right hand side. You must read each and every number, each and every letter. And if it isn't, go to number 2, 3 and 4, adjust it to your perfect, and when you're finished, remember to click the number 5 green OK button. Your software and printer is installed, and I'm going to show you how to order a voucher. I'm going to click on a 275 Rand voucher, and then it asks me a request to print a voucher, and I click print and a voucher print. 2 easy steps. The voucher, you will see the emblem is in place, the PIN number is in place, and while we're here, if your emblem isn't in place, there's my email on the bottom. Mail me and I will send you the files, and I will also guide you through that mail how to install the files to your computer. When you want to sell electricity or Eskom power, just click on Eskom and the municipality list will open. Go through that list, make sure the customer area is listed before you sell a voucher to the customer, and when finished, click the red X button. I click on a 20 Rand Eskom voucher and it asks me to print. I print a voucher and the voucher tells me it is a 20 Rand Eskom voucher. To get a token for your meter, dial the sequence below. *130 *1111*, then it's the voucher number, hash key. Follow the instruction that appears on your phone, and that's where the process starts. It doesn't matter if it is a Eskom or municipality meter. It will send you the token number to add in there. Just make sure your area is listed. Then it tells you the USSD service is free. That's right. You won't pay a cent for that SMS. If you need to reprint a voucher, Go to the one I highlighted with number 1, click on that, and the right hand side screen will display. Your last voucher that you print will show right on top, and it's highlighted in dark green. Select the voucher you want to reprint and click the green OK button, and it will reprint. Now it's time to make a payment. I ask you to read carefully through this letter to see how our payment system is working. Make sure you add us as a recipient to speed up the process when you're making a payment to your server. And remember, the cell number is your reference number that you registered with in the beginning. And don't make 2 similar payments in about 3 days. Add a rand or so. Otherwise it's going to a suspension account, and then you must phone in and we must add it manually to your account. And the minimum amount to pay into this account is 150 rand. Use this product. It's absolutely free. There is no cost or hidden cost. You can stop selling airtime at any stage and there won't be cost. You can phone our helpline with payments or technical problems on 086 1778800 from Mondays to Friday from 8 AM until 5 PM. This is the second product. If you go to www.atlanticprepaid.co.za, you will see the screen on your left hand side. Right on top is a gray area. Click on that. What's the deal? On your right hand side it will display it's free and you get 5%. It doesn't matter what. On your left hand side, number 1, click at register. It's going to ask you a cell number, your email address, password. Confirm your password. Tick the terms and condition box and click on register. On your right hand side, it's going to ask you to click to continue when you receive the OTP, the one-time PIN on your cell phone. Make sure about that. It asks you for your cell number and your one-time password. That is the one-time PIN that you receive on your cell phone. Add that in there and click on confirm. On your right hand side, next to select the network is a small arrow. Click on that and all the providers will open. Select the provider you prefer and click on that. After you select a provider, it will open. Go to the bottom side, the gray area, show cost. Click on that and the right hand side screen will open. You will see all the amounts change. That is the price that you will pay for a voucher. I went back to select the network. Click on the 2 rand Vodacom voucher to order one, and you will see right on the bottom on your left hand side, it asks me to order that 2 rand Vodacom voucher. I click on order and the right screen will open. And it gives me a couple of options there, and I select show and print the PIN. It shows you the whole voucher. You will see the PIN number is a Vodacom PIN number, and so is each and every provider is showing you the whole PIN number, how to add it to your cell phone. And right on the bottom, if you want to print this voucher, you can print it to any printer that's listed on your PC. And remember, if you have a cell phone, log into your account with your cell phone on the internet and get your recharge PIN from your cell phone. Now it's time to make a payment. I ask you to read carefully through this letter. You will see our banking details is listed in red. Add us as a recipient. That will just speed up the process to get the money to your account. And we ask your cell number as reference. That's a cell number you registered with in the beginning. Add that as a reference number when you're making a payment. Make sure about that. And don't make 2 similar payments in about 3 days. Otherwise it's going to throw into a suspension account and you must phone in that we can add it manually. We prefer EFT, internet banking or cell phone banking. And the minimum payment to pay into this account is 150 rand. I ask you to use this product. Is absolutely free. There is no monthly or hidden cost. You can stop using airtime or selling airtime at any stage and there won't be any cost. And with any problems, payments or technical, you can phone our helpline on 086 177 8800 from Mondays till Fridays from 8 AM until 5 PM.